The global heat pump industry value reached $46.8 billion in 2023. Over the forecast period, the value is anticipated to rise at 10.2% CAGR. The sector is predicted to increase from $51.6 billion in 2024 to $136.2 billion in 2034. Heat pumps utilize a compressor and circulating refrigerant fluid to transfer heat, offering heating and cooling solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Key trends in this sector include energy efficiency, technological advancements, regulatory support, integration with renewable energy sources, and smart HVAC solutions. Environmental awareness drives demand for eco-friendly heating and cooling solutions, as heat pumps reduce greenhouse gas emissions compared to fossil fuel-based systems. The sector is poised for continued growth due to industry penetration, innovation, global development, policy support, and smart technology integration. Emerging markets in Asia-Pacific and Latin America present significant growth opportunities due to rapid urbanization and increasing disposable incomes. Government support through favorable policies, subsidies, and regulatory frameworks will likely stimulate growth and adoption rates. The integration of smart technologies and IoT capabilities is also set to enhance the functionality and appeal of pumps. Heat pumps are becoming the preferred choice for new constructions and heating retrofits in regions with fluctuating temperature extremes due to dual heating and cooling capabilities. Manufacturing bottlenecks and weaknesses in the supply chain are set to limit the ability to scale up production to meet growing demand. Around 40% of the world's population currently lives in regions with high ambient temperatures that require space heating, primarily in the Northern Hemisphere. The industry recorded a CAGR of 4.9% during the historical period between 2019 and 2023.